In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to select Connected Devices and choose Connection Preferences. When you're ready, tap on Printing over here. And finally, select the Footprint service or tap on Add Service to download the best one for your printer. It will appear over here. Wherever you decided after tapping on your service, make sure this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, you can tap on the Footprint service. Make sure this switcher is blue, and then tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Add Printer. And if your printer has Wi-Fi direct pairing feature, use this switcher next to it and hit Allow in the pop-up. Then tap on Find Wi-Fi direct printers and wait for your printer to be found. You can also choose Add Printer by IP address at the top. Input it here and choose Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!